I'm going to talk you through the review skills. So if you take down the title of Graph Review, I usually have a nice copy of this, mine's a wee bit blurred. But the first graph we're going to do, we're going to have up the side the cost, and along the bottom we're going to have the number of invitations. I should be doing mine in pencil. A graph should always be done in pencil. Let's see what we should go up to. If we go up to 60, so 60, and we'll go down 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, and then 0. That would be fine. This is cost up the side. And along the bottom, we will have number of invites and 10, 20. If you do the same sort of spacing as me, that would be super. Now, I do know if you are using blank paper, it mightn't just be as accurate for you. So 80, just notice I have to go up to 100 to make my line a little longer, up to 100. And this is number of invites. Now, so 20 invites goes up to 16. 40 invites goes up to, that'll be 25, 26. 60 invites goes up to 36. 80 invites is going up to 46. And 100 invites is going up to 56. So again, just plotting your points and drawing your nice straight line. Okay. Part B. So that was 1A. Part B. You can start in here if you want. 55 invites. And it's nice if you draw on wee lines to show where you've got your answers from. So it looks about £33, just roughly is fine. And part 2. How many invites for £42? So 42 is about here. So if you draw your wee line in. Now mine looks about 74. Yours might be slightly different, and that's fine. Question 2. For this, when I talk about a mapping diagram, all I want you to do is draw this line the way I showed you, with using X from 0 up to 7. I'm not going to do this one for you. I'll be checking that you've understood the last lesson. This is what we were doing. Now, as I say, I want you to do this the way I showed you. So Y is 2 times your X, take away 3. So 2 times 0 is 0, take away 3. And you do that for each and every one of these. So for likes of number 4, 2 times 4 is 8, take away 3, you should be getting 5. And for 7, 2 times 7 is 14, take away 3. And you could fill in the rest. And then what I want you to do is I would like you to draw out the wee graph for this. Again, I'm not going to do it here for you. Now I'll just get you started. So along the bottom, X. So if you could space them out, now it's really important they've got equal spacing between all of these. And you only have to go up to 7. That's your X. And up the side you have to go up to 11. So I'll just do 1 square for each to fit it in. And that should get me the whole way up to 11. And then I want you to plot your points on, and I'll see how you go on. We are not worried about doing part B or part C or part D. It's just the graph I want you to draw. Number 3, I want you to do it the way I have taught you. So in number 3, we are going to draw this line. Now, the X's are going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I want you to do it the way that I have shown you. I'll just remind you of that. So you go, when X is 1, 2 times 1 is 2, take away 1. Say for X is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, take away 1. So I want you to fill in the rest of those values in there. And then I want you to draw your axes. Okay, I should do it in pencil. And the y-axis will go up to 11, I think. So just take 1 square for each is fine. down to here, that's y, so make sure you put the y-axis in. And across the bottom, we'll take 2 squares, just to make it spaced out more. You can take 2 squares and up the way if you want. It's just up to yourself there. These are your x-axis. So when x is 1, y is 1. And you fill the rest in for all your values. And then I want you to answer part C. To do part C, you may have to go make your axis longer going down the way to get some negative values. We tip there. And for part D, you have to say the point 7, 13 will be on your line. So it'll be a yes or a no answer in there.